Welcome to Time Slice, where we cut through time one day at a time. Today's timeline has it all: a nation's name, historic graduates, air raids on US soil, and the discovery of the first ever computer bug. Are you ready to plug into history? Let's explore September 9th. Let's start in 1776, when the United Colonies officially became the United States of America by a congressional vote. It was a bold declaration, one that marked the birth of an identity that would echo through history. Next time you hear USA, remember, it started with a pen stroke. In 1817, Alexander Twilight became the first known African American to graduate from a U.S. college, earning a BA from Middlebury College. Twilight went on to become a pastor, educator, and state legislator, proving that barriers, however high, can be broken. Who's one modern trailblazer that you admire? Share it with us in the comments. During World War I, the Canadian Automobile Machine Gun Brigade became the first fully mechanized unit in the British Army. This marked the rise of modern mechanized warfare, replacing horses with horsepower. September 9th was a big date in World War II history. 1939, Nazi Germany's advance reached Warsaw, beginning the siege that devastated Poland's capital. 1940, over England, 28 German warplanes were shot down as Britain fought tooth and nail to defend its skies. 1942, Japanese planes bombed Mount Emily, Oregon, the first air attack on the continental US in history. It was a day when the war touched nearly every corner of the globe. If you could visit one World War II site in person, where would you go and why? On this day in 1945, Japan formally surrendered in Indochina, China, Taiwan, and South Korea, drawing a close to brutal occupations and signaling a new dawn across Asia. Here's a fun one for you tech lovers. On this day, Admiral and computer scientist Grace Hopper documented the world's first computer bug, a real moth trapped in a relay. She taped the moth into her logbook, giving us the term debugging that programmers still use today. Have you ever wrestled with a stubborn bug in your code? Comment down below with your best or worst tech fail. In 1948, the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, also known as North Korea, was proclaimed, laying the groundwork for decades of tension and the Korean War just 2 years later. A small country whose impact has been anything but small. Leaping ahead to 2017, archaeologists in Dra Abul Naga, Egypt, announced the discovery of a 3,500-year-old tomb belonging to a goldsmith's family. Even after millennia, history still has treasures to reveal. Famous birthdays: 1941, Otis Redding, legendary American soul singer whose voice defined hits like Sittin' on the Dock of the Bay. 1960, Hugh Grant, British actor with effortless charm, known for rom-com favorites like Notting Hill and 4 Weddings and a Funeral. 1966, Adam Sandler, beloved American comedian and actor whose goofy humor hides surprising depth, from Happy Gilmore to Uncut Gems. 1967, Akshay Kumar, Bollywood megastar known for his action chops, martial arts skills, and over 150 film roles. From soulful legends to rom-com royalty, who gets your birthday toast today? Notable deaths: 1976, Mao Zedong, revolutionary leader and founding father of the People's Republic of China, who shaped 20th century Chinese politics. 1997, Burgess Meredith, versatile American actor remembered as Mickey in Rocky and the Penguin in Batman. 2003, Edward Teller, Hungarian-American physicist credited as the father of the hydrogen bomb, a controversial figure in nuclear history. From nation-building and air battles to tech breakthroughs and ancient tombs, September 9th is a reminder that history never stops surprising us. Which moment wowed you the most today? Comment down below. We'd love to hear what grabbed your curiosity. And don't forget to like and subscribe for your daily Time Slice adventure.